Welcome to our video on high-ticket affiliate marketing. What is high-ticket affiliate marketing? It's a cool way to connect buyers with pricey products or services. Here's how it works. You find products that have high price tags, like luxury items or advanced software. These products often promise big commissions. When someone clicks your special link to buy, you get a slice of the sale. Choosing the right product is key. It should be something high in demand and offers a good payout. Take some time to find the best ones out there. The best part is you don't need to own the product. You just need to promote it. Sharing links through social media or YouTube shows the world what you're excited about. Now let's talk about making bank. Not all sales have to be hard work. Once your links are out there, they can keep earning for you. With high-ticket items, a few sales can mean big rewards. Consistency is your best friend, so keep sharing. Make sure you know your product. It's easier to talk about something when you understand its ins and outs. Share why it's awesome and how it can help people. This builds trust and helps boost sales. Grow your skills as you go. It's like gaining superpowers. The better you get at connecting with your audience, the more you can profit big time. Many people wonder how to start. Begin with research. Find what products are trending and have great sales potential. Check the commission rates. Some programs pay more than others. Think about your audience. What do they need or desire? Show them how the products you recommend can solve their problems or improve their lives. Use your voice. Be honest and let your personality shine. Being genuine helps build a loyal following. Consider storytelling too. Share real-life experiences where the product made a difference. It connects you with your audience. Don't rush it. It takes patience and time to see results. Stay focused and dedicated. Over time, you'll see your earnings grow. Keep an eye on your links. Regularly update them and check if they're still bringing in results. Try new strategies and see what works for you. Avoid putting all your eggs in one basket. Promote different products to keep your options open. Remember, the more diversified you are, the safer your income. Finally, always be open to learning. Trends change and so do products. Stay informed to keep up with the latest opportunities. Thanks for joining us on this quick look at high-ticket affiliate marketing. To learn more about high-ticket affiliate marketing and claim your free membership, be sure to check out the link to my free PDF report in the description below.